If you are someone like me who had been struggling to get organized at your work and trying to balance multiple priorities in life, look ahead. This is what we are going to talk about. How do we get more organized? Now, before getting into looking at how do we get more organized, let's first try and understand what the whole word organized means. And if you look at the classical definitions in the dictionary, you will find that organized means it's either about arranging tasks and things in a particular order, or arranging things so that they can be used easily and fast. So it's all about arranging first. Okay, so organizing is about arranging in a logical sequence. Now, next is, you might be wondering, why is getting organized important? Of course, there are multiple benefits of getting organized. The first and foremost is it helps us to become more productive. And as we become more productive, the second benefit is it reduces the stress in our lives. And third and most important is getting organized helps us to become a much more balanced person between all the priorities that we are dealing with life. Okay? So improving productivity, reducing stress, and creating balance. Ask yourself if these three things are important for you. And if you are, let's quickly look at a very short and quick way of how do we get organized in our life. And this I'm sharing from my personal experience and a few concepts that we have from different places. Okay, so there are a few elements. I'm going to talk you through 5 elements of how to get organized. First and foremost is look at all the committed activities that you have in the coming few days. And normally I look at a 2-week time frame. And when I say committed activities, these are meetings, these are any commitments which you have with your clients, which you have promised before, and those times are blocked. So take out your calendar. First and foremost, plot all the committed activities with the date and the time. Okay, so that's number 1, put committed activities. Number 2, beyond the committed activities, look at what are the top things that you want to achieve in your professional as well as in your personal life in this coming week. List them down, the top things that you want to get done. Okay. Third, get into your day and break your day into 30-minute buckets and try plotting in those 30-minute buckets. What are the activities that you have already planned for the day? What this will help you do is it will give you a visibility of your vacant slots throughout the day, and you can fit in more and more activities that you want to get done. Okay, and plan for distractions. Okay, but don't let distraction plan you. What does that mean? We all tend to get distracted while doing our tasks. Okay, now like Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other stuff kept at our desk, they can distract us. And you understand those distractions are necessary. It kind of helps us to rejuvenate, etc. Now the golden tip here is don't let those distractions be unplanned. Set out a separate time for those distractions. You can call it recreation, whatever, and put it in your calendar and stick to that discipline. Fifth, but not the least, is about ending your day in a review of the activities that you have done throughout the day. This will help you to get organized. I can quickly walk you through a quick format that I create for myself. And what I have done here is I plotted the next 2 weeks. And if you look at it, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all the committed activities are all already put here. So these are all committed timelines which I have already given to my customers or various partners in various places. The second thing is, in the various aspects of my life, what are the key milestones that I want to achieve in that week? Just plot them down. Okay, I'm yet to do that. I'll do that. I do this every Sunday, by the way. And on the 30-minute bucket, this is how it looks like. You break down your day into 30-minute buckets, 5, 5:30, etc. And in each of those buckets, you can start plotting in what I'm planning to do. This will give you a full visibility of the day and help you to plan more better. At the end of the day, I look at these goals and then see where I am on these goals. And this helps me to get much more organized. If you want to learn more on get into more details of how to get organized, reach out to us at The Catalyst and we can help your organization to get much more productive and much more organized. Thank you. Happy learning. Stay safe.